I bet you haven't seen this in a while, have you? This is the binary destroyer on the MT4 platform. So the most common question I have been asked over the last year is, when is the Mogwai reversal strategy coming to the MT4 platform? So I've spent my whole entire trading career on the MT4 platform, and it was really only the last year that I switched over to TradingView. The reason being is because the Mogwai reversal strategy was created on TradingView, and that's why I switched over to it, okay? But everyone has been asking me, can you bring it to MT4 as well? So this is what we're going to go over in today's video, because I've made a few changes to the MT4, the binary destroyer and MT4. So I want to go over it in this video. Now, first of all, this is a completely free update, right? So every update with us is free. Right, and it's been free since I started in 2017. So the members that joined me in 2017, what's that, years ago, isn't it, right? They've had every single weekly webinar, every single training video, every single live stream, every single update, completely free to them. It actually burns money for me. Like, I actually lose money every time I make an update, because I have to do it on the MT4 platform, MT5 platform, C-Trader platform, TradingView. Like, it actually is not cost effective, right? Because the people in 2017 that joined me have never had to pay any money to get the updates. It's just free, right? But obviously it costs me money to make updates, because I have to do it on four platforms, and it's chaos, right? But anyway, we're here. So this is the binary destroyer on MT4 with the MACD. And what I have added is the MACD arrows, right? As you can see here, when the MACD goes over bought or sold, we get a MACD arrow. If I just go over to TradingView, you can see this exactly the same, right? If I turn off the alerts, you can see the MACD arrows. And this is the Mogwai reversal strategy, right? As you can see here, I'm in this trade here. I should have closed this early. But I'm holding out, right? I'm trying to push my trades at the minute, but you get the idea, okay? So let me just hold on here. I'll try and find you some good trades. There was a trade. I mean, there you go there, right? Mogwai reversal strategy, okay? Now, if I just go over to here, this is similar, right? We've got the same MACD arrows. However, this is the Mogwai strategy, okay? Now, let me tell you something. I got famous with this very setup here. There's a trade that's just won, right? Because in terms of scalping, I promise you right now, there is nothing better than this, right? So the Mogwai reversal strategy, why it works so well on the TradingView platform is you can trade it on your mobile phone. There's nothing even close to that, right? So like, most of my trading, I'd say 100% of my trading is now done off my mobile phone, right? Because I have the binary destroyer on the on my TradingView. So you can see that very trade, you know, that I just showed you on here. That's the very trade there, right? So I can just go through my phone anytime in anywhere in the world, and I can just trade the binary destroyer, right? That is what makes the Mogwai reversal strategy so unique, is the fact that you can just, just get your phone out, right, and just trade it, right? You can do that anywhere, right? And this is what makes it so, if you notice why I trade the Mogwai reversal strategy every single day, Monday to Sunday, is because I'm able to do that, is because I can do that wherever, right? I don't need to be at my computer. I can do it wherever, right? And that's what makes it unique, is I'm able to capture every single setup, right? I can just get my phone out, scroll through the 15 seconds, the 1 minute, the 1 hour. Oh, there's a trade. I'm going to take it. Bang, right? MT4, and I'm going to show you right now, MT4 and C-Trader, there is nothing. And I tell you right now, there is nothing as close in terms of scalping that is better out there. Let me explain, right? So this is the Mogwai reversal, this is the Mogwai strategy, right? I've actually got the Mogwai reversal strategy here, right? So essentially it's the same thing, right? So we've got our MACD arrows here, and because it's below the EMA and it's in between the bands, you take that down, right? Beautiful trade. These are nice trades with the trend. I'll try and find you some more. Okay, again here, right, you see how you got a MACD arrow, it's in between the two BD lines. That's the Mogwai reversal, right? But again, this is This is swing trading, right? Because you're trading with the trend. There you go. There you see how you got another MACD arrow there, and it's with the trend. Beautiful, right? Again, you've got an arrow there, but we won't count that because let me try and find you some more. There you go there. There's another setup there, right? And this is whether you're on the 1 hour or if you go to the 5 minutes, you're going to get the same. There you go there. You got an arrow in between the two BD lines. You know, you put your stop loss above the BD arrow like that there. To give you an example, you know, you put your stop loss there. You'd put, I'll make that white so you can see, right? You can put it white there. Okay, you put your stop loss there and you target like a 1 to 2 sort of at the bottom of the zone, yeah? That's fine, Mogwai reversal strategy on MT4. However, personally, and I'm saying this is from like experience because I'd probably say I'm the most experienced with this, the Mogwai strategy, so not the Mogwai reversal now, the Mogwai strategy on MT4 is in a different league. And now we've got the MACD arrows, again, it is insane, right? So I just want to go over what I'm going to be doing. Now, do you remember when I talked about doing 5 winning trades in a row? I'm going to show you something right now and you'll be like, yeah, I can see why you always consistently win trades, right? So this is how I used to trade. I used to have the binary destroyer on MT4 here, right? And I'd have it like this here. And I'd have the C Trader platform. Look how many trades I've took today, right? So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 wins and 1, 2, 4 losses, 5 losses. So 23 wins, 4 losses, right? How do I do that? Okay, so by the way, this is just testing, right? This is testing because this is the new, I'm making sure it all works, right? So this is how I used to trade. I used to have MT4 on the left like this here, and I used to have C Trader on the right like this here. Now this combination, there is nothing better than this, right? So what I've been doing, and this is why I want to do 5 winning trades in a row, is when you get a MACD arrow outside of the zone, we've been taking it, right? So to give an example here, if I just go back, it's maybe not that one, right? Because that arrow hasn't appeared outside. Oh, that one has at the bottom there, right? So that one, probably not that one. That one there, okay, there's an arrow. Again, there's an arrow at the top there. And this is perfect for scalping, right? I mean, there's one just there as well. There's one just there. Okay, there's one at the, not that one. Okay, one just there as well. You know, and if I bring up, I don't know, let's bring up Aussie US dollar. Okay, again, if I just go left here, it's the same concept, right? We've actually got members that trade this, right? If you go into the, if you go into this one here, what's going on in the Mogwai reversal strategy? A lot of trades, nice, right? But if you go into the Mogwai strategy here, there's people that actually trade it in this trade at the moment, as you can see. Okay, I just never talk about this strategy often, right? So same again, you see how you got a MACD arrow outside of the zone, you take it down, right? Same with, if I keep going left here, oh, there we go, there you see that little arrow just there, you take it up, okay? Again, nice little sell just there, arrow with the down. And what I used to do was just rinse and repeat this. Used to compound and compound and compound, right? And keep going, there's another one just there. I keep going, I keep going, I keep going. Okay, there's one just there, it's probably a loss. Yeah, there's probably a loss just there. I'll show you one more. Okay, that one there's probably, oh, that one would have won. I would have got 10 pips out of that one. There's one at the top just there. There's another one just there as well. You get the idea, right? But this is what I used to do, right? So I'm going to take a live trade for you right now. I'm just going to take a random buy here. I'm just going to take a random buy and I'll show you, right? So this is what I used to do, okay? So I used to take gold, stop loss, minus 100, take profit here. Now, the best thing about C-Trade, if I bring it up here, is I can already preset everything before I take a trade. So I can preset my stop loss. I can preset my take profit. It tells me how much I'm risking on this trade, which is 3.62%. This is the profit I'm going to make, the actual profit in terms of money, and etc. Right? As soon as I take a trade, I just go bang, bang like this here. And as you can see here, very quickly, I'm in 3 trades, right? If I just click press and play here, right? Now, your answer right now is, why did I take 5 trades? Why don't I just take 1 trade with a bigger with a bigger lot size. Okay, when you're swing trading, so when you're trading like the Mogwai reversal strategy, for instance, which is, like I said, a trend trading strategy, because this is trading with the trend, right? It makes sense effectively to take one big trade and you take partials along the way, right? So you take this trade here and you'll be like, right, okay, this is TP1 just there. Okay, so TP1 is just there. TP2 is going to be up there somewhere, right? So it makes sense to, as the trade is going up into profit, as you're trading with the trend, you would take partials along the way. When you're scalping, right, you can't do that very quickly. So what effectively is how it's in profit. Watch this, ready? Look, bang. Look how quickly those trades closed off. In. So instantly fast. There's nothing better than this. I'm telling you, right? Now, what you can do is effectively, what I do is I would take like this here, right? So watch this. I would go, okay, buy, okay, 3 trades, and then I'm going to go do a 200 take profit, buy, okay? So what I've done is I've took very quickly 5 trades. They've all got the same 100 pip stop loss, but 3 of them have a 100 pip take profit. The other 2 have a 200 pip take profit. So as you can see, very quickly, I'm able to take 5 trades, all with different levels, right? So when you look at my trading history, you go, okay, how are you getting so many wins? Is because each one of them has different take profit levels, right? And this is how I can just take the trade and leave it. And like I said, right, this is how I used to trade. I used to have it like this here, back to back, and I just sit and watch it. Like I said here, if I just put this to the side like here, I'd have it like this, right? If you actually go to here now, these trades would be an open profit, you see? Right? And bang, watch this, closed it instantly. Okay? And that is how you can literally, like, so quickly, what was that, 3 pips out of those trades? And that's all you do, right? That's all I was doing, is just back to back here. Obviously, the setup would have to be valid, right? So like I said, you can't just take any random trade. But this is how I used to trade, right? If I just, I mean, I'm going to have to really find a trade. Let me see if I can find you a trade. Let's just pick something random. GPUSD. Have I got GPUSD in my charts? No. We will go to the BD setup here. Right, and we'll go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, let it load up quickly. And there we go there, right? So here, okay, there is actually a loss just there. That's a loss. That's a winner. Is that winner just there? So this is how I would trade, right? In fact, that's a Mogwai reversal arrow with the trend. Look at that. I'm not even joking you. If I reverse these arrows, right, this is actually a Mogwai reversal with the trend. I bet you if I went to TradingView right now and I went to Euro USD, look, there, you see that? Right, you see that? I might get an alert in a minute. Here we go. It's going to give me an alert when it loads. There we go there, right? See that? So that Mogwai reversal with the trend is actually just there on MT4, just there, right? You see that? So this is Mogwai reversal with the trend. This is just Mogwai strategy. So what I would normally do is I'd take that arrow there, bang, in and out, no messing about. That one would be a loss. But then the next trade, I would compound, right? So let's just imagine if we went back here, okay, let me find you the last trade. Okay, so that one would be a loss. This is London Open. Okay, this is Sunday night. We can't do that one. Okay, here we go here, right? So that one would be a winner. Okay, because the arrow's outside of the zone. These are invalid because that arrow is not outside the zone. So that one, on this occasion here, I'd get like 12 pips. Well, if you've got a take profit of 5 pips and then you have a take profit of 10 pips and you're like 5 trades at 5 pips, 5 trades at 10 pips, boom. Right, again, there's another sell just there. That one's a winner. That one there's a winner. You would have got like at least 7 pips out of that trade. That trade went to around 10 pips, so you might have lost it, you might have not. There's another trade at the top there. That one's a winner. That one's a loss. I'll find you one more. There you go there, right? So there's the winner just there. That one there. Let me just zoom in on that one. Okay, so that one's not a valid trade because the arrow is not outside the zone. That one at the top is, and that one's a winner. And that's all I do, right? All I would do is effectively, let's just take, I'm trying to see if I can take a trade super quick for you because I've just got to be mindful because we've got our weekly webinar in literally 2 minutes time. Okay, I'm trying to find, let me see if I can find you a setup really fast. Metals, miners, GP CAD, Euro GPY. Let me see if I can find you a trade. But effectively, we now have the Mogwai reversal strategy on the MT4 platform. See you go here. You see I got the arrow outside of the zone just there. Beautiful. And that's it, right? You just, boom, scalp the hell out of it. And this is why, I'll give you an example here, right? Let's just say, I'm trying to see if I can take a trade for you, right? Let's just, hold on here. Let me, okay. Gold's going to come down now. Let's just take a buy on gold, right? I'll just show you just how fast you do it, right? So imagine I'm going to take a buy on gold, right? So imagine I'm going to take a trade at 0.1 lots, and I'm not going to take more than 5 trades because I'm going to risk 1 lot. So instead of risking 1 lot, I'll take 10 trades I could take effectively 10 trades at 0.10 lots of 1 lot, right? But let's just say I take 5 trades. I can say, right, I'm going to quickly take 2 like there, and then I'm going to take another one at 100 pips like that there, and bang, in and out like this here. So you can see effectively now I've took 3 trades. Let's just take 1 more, right? And you will see each trade has already, this one set at 100 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit, right? And this one at the bottom is set at 100 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. That's how you're able to scalp so fast. Just leave it, right? You just leave it and that is it, okay? And that is it, right? You just go to here and you just sit and wait, and that is it. And like I said, right, there's nothing faster than this. And this is, like I said, this is the binary destroyer on MT4 with the C Trader platform. I will be playing around with this next week because, I mean, if I just give you an example here, right? If I'm going to change this now to the pullback strategy. I'm going to overforce the arrows here. So there we go, there, done, right? Watch this, ready? So effectively, this is now the, hold on, here we go, here, right? Effectively now, if I just add this, change this to a 200 because the Mogwai, the Mogwai reversals are 200, right? There we go, there. You'll actually see now, okay, maybe not on here, it's invalid, right? Is that the 200? Okay, yeah, okay, that is not, that's the BD arrow, right? I need to adjust some settings on this to get it exactly perfect, right? But you get the idea is that is effectively a Mogwai reversal setup. What's that trade saying on gold, right? And that is it, right? You just sit and wait. I think we're going to bounce off that TCA line and bounce up. And then you just sit and wait. The waiting game, as you can see, it just fluctuates like this. But this is how, right, when you look at my trading history, you go, that's a lot of trades, Jamie. Yes, it is, but effectively it's only like 5 or 10 setups or whatever, right? The way I manage it is, like I said here, right, is see how it's going into profit now, right? I'm not saying I would do this, but you're able to go, right, okay, what's this trade currently sitting at? This trade is currently sitting at, I don't know, like 5, does it tell me the pips? It normally used to tell me the pips. I don't know how to set it on pips, right? But this is how fast you can be like, right, close, done. And this is so good for scalping. There's nothing better than it. So this is my advice. There you go here. Ready? Look, bang, right? So I closed it off. Done. So effectively, I've managed to make like, I don't know, like all these trades. And you sit there and go, well, that's a lot of trades. Yes, it is. But you have to remember it's a different style of trading. You wouldn't be able to do this with TradingView. You wouldn't be able to do this with TradingView at all. So this is what I would say going forward is Mogwai reversal strategy on the TradingView. It is like I said, right? It's amazing because you're trading with the trend with the Mogwai reversal. It's so good to just get your phone out and just be like, right, okay, there's a setup. Where's that setup here? As you can say, NZJPY, you can effectively say, right, okay, I've got the signals on my phone, I take it, done. If you want to scalp and actually physically want to be on the charts and like, right, okay, I've got 2 hours every single day, I want to learn to scalp, MT4 and C Trader side by side, there is nothing even close to it, right? Yes, you'd have to, obviously, I'm not just going to say just take random arrows, right? I'm going to say use some basic principles. When I used to trade this, okay, what I used to do was, you see how the MACD is just about to go overbought? is I would line it up with some higher time frame support and resistance. So I'd be like, right, okay, we've got the MACD going overbought now. We're in the sell zone at the top. Have we got some 15-minute support and resistance? If I zoom in here, yes, we have. As you can see here, there is a level of resistance on the 15. So that is it, right? I go back down to the 1 minute and you see how we're starting to get a rejection wick. Let's just imagine right now we had a MACD arrow, right? All I would do is I go, right, Aussie US dollar. Okay, you ready on this one? Aussie US dollar. US dollar like this here. I take a sell. Let's go with 0.10 lots. Stop loss on this one, we're going to be like minus 10 pips. There we go. Hold on. Minus 10 pips. Take profit, 10 pips, and done, right? I take a sell like this here. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to take another one at 5 pips, 6 pips. 1, 2, 3. And there we go there, right? Now I've got 6 trades. They've all got the same stop losses, but they've all got different take profit levels, right? And then you just sit there and put this side by side like this here. And you just say, wait, that's literally what I used to do. Obviously, this isn't valid because the MACD hasn't gone overbought. So technically, this isn't valid. I'm just showing you this is what I would do if everything lined up. And you see how it's starting to go into profit now? Right? Now watch the TCA line. That TCA line will turn red, right, when we go below the TCA line. And then that is it, right? It's just a case of sitting and waiting, right? This is scalping on a completely different level. And this is sometimes what you don't see is that, like, you watch me on TradingView and you go, well, how are you able to do that on TradingView? You can't do it on TradingView. You have to do it on MT4, right? So, by the way, I'm going to post something in the free group here. Hold on. Running late on live stream. Give me 10 minutes, right? So I'm just doing our weekly live stream, right? This is free live stream, right? So as you can see here, if I go back to this setup here, I don't think we're going to get a setup because the MACD has already started to cross over, right? So this would be invalid, right? So if this trade loses, there's not even a valid setup anyway. But I'm showing you what I would do is you're so easily able to just sit and wait and think, right, okay, I've got my levels. I'm going to walk away now and that is it. But what I would do is I'd sit and potentially manage it, right? You see how we're just kind of like, I know there's a resistance area there, right? And you just sit and wait like this here. So yeah, like I said, this is the binary destroyer on MT4. It will be ready probably this week. You'll get the new files. It will be super amazing. And like I said, if you want to learn to scalp, I would personally go with this setup here. But the MACD is not going to go overbought here. And that is it, right? And that is it. Hopefully we're going to get a rejection from it. I mean, there's an area of resistance here, so we should get a rejection from here. Oh, we're going to be in here for a trade for a while. You see how, here we go here, right? You see how it's bouncing up? This is going to reject now. You see how it's rejecting? Welcome to my years of scalping experience, right? Scalping experience is like we are rejecting from that level. See there? But the MACD is not going to go overboard, so like it's pointless me taking this trade, right? But look, this is what I would do, right? See how I'm rejecting now? This is nice. If I zoom in on here, what we should do here is you see how we're above the TCA line. Watch when we go below the TCA line, right? And then that TCA line will go red. You see we're going to start to go into profit. So this candle needs to stay engulfing. Okay, so once this candlestick stays engulfing, right, there we go, there, it drops down. So the next trade needs to be, the next candle needs to be red, right? You see here, right, how we're starting to go into profit like this. I'm not saying I would do this, but bang, watch this, instantly closed. Okay, if you feel like you can't, look, see here's how the TCA lines turn red, and that is it. If I was still in these trades, right, 5 pips would start to get hit, 10 pips would start to get hit, 15 pips would start to get hit. And if we close above that TCA line, you see how we close back above it, bang, I'm out of the trade. And I can get out so quick. I can close 5 trades off so quick. Right, it's scalping on a different level. Like I said, unfortunately on here, we didn't get that MACD going overbought, right? We didn't get the MACD overbought, which is quite frustrating. But like I said, if I just give you a valid setup, hold hold on here, right? I mean, let's look at the last gold trade that I took. So I actually took, funny enough, I took this trade. Here we go here, right? Hold on. Let me just go you over here, right? You see this trade just there, right? You got the MACD arrow outside the zone. Now, again, if you were to line this up with higher time frame support and resistance, right? So if I just go over here, you can see there's an area of support. You see that? Right? So this one here would be valid. You see that's a valid setup now because we've got support line, we've got the arrow, we're at 15-minute support, bang. I could literally stack so many trades on this and make money so fast. Like it, and you wouldn't be able to do that with TradingView. You wouldn't be able to. If I go back to Euro, was it AUD? Was it AUD? Yeah, you see how it's rejecting now? Right, we're starting to go down. We're below that TCA line. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you, hold on, everyone's trying to talk to me. I hope you enjoyed that session. Like I said, it's going to be ready this week. That is the binary destroyer on the MT4 platform. It's going to be good. It's going to take me back to my scalping days. So hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching.